There we go, I got it! Boom! Yeah! We just got a trick of the drone! That's what I'm talking about! What's up, guys? It's your boy Anthony here, back at it with another awesome video. Today, guys, is another epic Can I Fly This Drone video. And guys, I am so excited. This is the Hogs Supernova drone. This thing looks amazing. I'm just so excited to unbox it. Alright guys, so now let's get into this unboxing. Guys, I'm so excited. Alright, so let's check this thing out. How does this thing even open up? Oh my gosh! Look at this! Check this out! Check this out! Alright guys, so before we finish unboxing this drone, there's one part that you have to mention. This thing actually, you fly it with your hands versus a remote control. I've never done this before. This is gonna be crazy. Alright guys, here is the drone itself. Look at this thing. Check this thing out. Look at that. Okay guys, this thing looks super cool already. Alright, inside of here, what do we got? We got our repellers, we got a charging cord, we got some paperwork. Actually, no, we're gonna keep this, guys, because this is really important in case you ever need to change out anything or charge the battery, which is probably more important. Here's all the instructions. Boom! Let's get all that out of here. Here we go, we got the trick solution manual here. We're gonna keep this on the table because we are going to do some epic tricks with this thing. Alright, so the first thing to launch it, it looks really interesting. So we first have to turn it on and, oh, there's the power button. Alright, boom, so we got this yellow light blinking. It says, okay, so now the light has turned to solid green. We're supposed to throw it up in the air and let it sit there for 3 seconds. Woo! Dude, it's always doing tricks. Alright, here we go. Look, it's working! I'm controlling it with my hands! No, come back here! Right, there we go. Look at that! Look at that, I'm turning it this way, turning it towards you guys. I'm turning it back. Look at this, check this out. Alright, so now there's a couple tricks here that you can do. I'm gonna try one of them. I guess you can go like, dude, though, look how good it's actually controlling. I can raise it up. No way! Alright guys, so now we are going to fly this drone. We're gonna try some really awesome tricks with this thing. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cool. Alright, so we have this thing all charged up because the battery died on me. There we go, we got the power on, we got the yellow light blinking. It's gonna turn to green. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, turn to green. Alright, here we go. Here we go. So we're gonna do we're gonna enter the trick mode. Here we go. We'll do it again. I don't know, am I supposed to do it with fan while it's blinking while the lights are turning blue? Alright, there we go. Now I got it. Alright, here we go. I'm getting close to the camera here, drone. Get back over here! Come on, now it's blinking. There we go, I got it! Boom! Yeah! We just got a trick of the drone! That's what I'm talking about! Yeah! We just did it again, boys! What is going on? Look at that! Dude, get over here, drone, come on. Oh my, check this out, watch this. Come on. Yeah! Look at this thing. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off real quick. Dude, did you check that? That thing was going nuts. Like, it took a little bit of practice, but I finally got my first trick. Dude, that thing was so epic. Guys, like I said, link in the description if you guys want to cop this. This is going to be the hot Christmas item of this year. Do it right now. So guys, within the next week, I'll be releasing a full trick video doing every single trick with this drone. I'm out of breath. I'm so excited. This thing is so cool. But make sure you guys drop a sub. Oh, it's doing some more tricks! Come on, come on, come on. Boom! That's what I'm talking about! Guys, cop this thing right now while you guys still can. Links down in the description. This thing is awesome. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn those notifications on, because we're going to be doing a trick video with every single trick in the book. I'm super hyped. That's coming from the next week. Hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications. You guys don't want to miss out on more epic content like this. Alright guys, so I'm doing something super awesome for the Christmas season. I will give away one of these drones if this video hits 250 likes. One of the rules, this video has to hit 250 likes. Plus, you guys have to subscribe to be entered. It's gonna be awesome. So make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe so we can hit that giveaway. It's literally gonna be the most epic Supernova Air Hogs giveaway, and it might be the only giveaway on YouTube right now. So make sure you guys subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace! Right, drone? Yeah, more tricks, dude! We gotta end up a trick too.